5 best side hustles you can start right now. Doesn't matter if you have no money in the bank, no money in your wallet, and very little time. These are side hustles you can start literally right now during your free time, whether you're over the age of 18 or even under the age of 18 as a high school student. Side hustle number 1. The first side hustle you can start right now is creating a YouTube channel. Most people think, hey, it's too late for YouTube, there's too many YouTube channels already, I have no chance of succeeding. But that's not true. There's many people that start with their YouTube channel and they see good results because they stay consistent. Sometimes I have one video take off and then another one takes off. Obviously you have to make good videos and good content. The best part about YouTube is that if you're really passionate about something, a certain topic like sports, finance, technology, whichever topic you like, you can create a YouTube channel about these topics. All it takes is consistency, creativity, and patience. If you want me to make a separate and more detailed video on how you can make money on YouTube, hit the like button and please subscribe. It'll help the YouTube algorithm so much. Side hustle number 2, e-commerce or dropshipping. E-commerce is the future. During the pandemic, you've seen all those local businesses shut down because they're going out of business. People are stuck at home due to the pandemic. The overhead and the cost for local businesses right now are just too high. Since people are at home all the time, they now shop for literally everything online now. Clothes, beauty products, hygiene products, cooking items, electronics, and anything you can possibly think of, people are buying online. What you can do is start an online store on Amazon or eBay. How are you going to get these products? Do the dropshipping method where you purchase the items from suppliers like AliExpress and sell it to your customers for a higher price. Side hustle number 3, drive an Uber. Drive an Uber, drive a Lyft, or do food delivery service. You can make some extra money on the side doing this. The only issue here is you're getting paid by the hours you put in and you're also spending money on gas. Remember, poor people are paid on time, like driving an Uber for example, and rich people are paid on results like running an online business. Side hustle number 4, selling services on Fiverr. People are always hiring people on Fiverr to translate documents, make voiceovers, edit videos, and more amazing services. This doesn't even take much time and you get paid a decent amount of money for a side hustle. All you have to do is go to Fiverr.com and sign up and post previews of your work and what you can offer. And lastly, side hustle number 5, sell and resell old clothes you don't even use. We all have old clothes we don't use anymore, so might as well take some good pictures of them and post them on websites like ThreadUp, Poshmark, or even post them on your social media. You'll definitely get sales faster if you already have a decent following on social media apps like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and more. When you've sold your old clothes, you can go shop at local thrift stores like Goodwill. There's plenty of fashionable cheap clothes that you can sell for a much higher price. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to please like and subscribe.